Alright guys, since the last one got over 500 views, here's another one of my grandpa's trains, but we're going to do a whole tour. So those are the houses. There's a church back there. Right here is like an ice thing, and there's ice cubes right there. Here's like I think it's like a light tower, a Dairy Queen. Everybody here has a place. This is Karen's Fine Dining. Back there is Alicia's Sports, which is my grandma. Kim's Therapy is my Aunt Kim, I think. So, yeah. See if I can find anything else. I know there's stuff back there, but I cannot see it. So I'm gonna use my YouTube Zoom. Gain focus. I still cannot read it, so we're gonna go over here. All right. If you guys can read it. Here's this side. This is where all the trains usually go. So, oh, and here's all his plants and stuff. Yeah. We got the tunnel in there. Here's the train tree. Me and my cousin actually decorated it this year. Yeah. Here is the train section. There's some train stuff down here. Like our train, all that. Here's more cactuses, so yeah. He built this all himself, and it took him like around 22 years, I think. So that's nice. A train. This is just basically a room tour now, but still. Back there is some like pegs, I think. Bye. Oh, and Merry Christmas, guys.